In this video, we will discuss about IS risk, various concepts and principles. Let us understand some key aspects from exam perspective. So one of the question is, what can be the best method to protect the confidentiality of the data being transmitted over a network? Your answer should be data encapsulation or data encryption. These are the process of hiding the data. In data encryption, data is converted into unreadable form. So in both the way, a hacker or intruder will not able to understand the actual data. Another aspect. Question can be, what is the most effective control against insider threats? Insider threats means within organization, confidential data may be leaked among employees. Best way to protect this is to have role-based access controls. Access to be provided only to those individuals who are supposed to work on that aspect. Need to know basis only. What is the most important in determining the risk mitigation strategy? When we speak about risk mitigation strategy, certain questions need to be addressed, like which risks to be addressed first, what should be the level of controls. All these questions can be addressed if we do impact analysis or risk ranking. Risk ranking is the process of ranking each risk on the basis of its criticality. So risk, high risk, then we have medium risk, we have low risk. As a practice, effort should be made to address all the high risk first, then medium and then low. What is the most effective strategy to develop a risk mitigation option from natural disaster? In case of natural disaster, it is very difficult to have exact prediction about the probability and impact of the damage. So in all such cases, assume what can go wrong in a worst case incident scenario and you need to prepare accordingly. Let us practice some questions. While designing risk mitigation for unavailability of IT service during natural disaster, which of the following is the first step? First step is to prepare worst case scenario analysis. Best strategy would be to consider the worst case scenario and derive the expected income. On the basis of expected income, further mitigation action can be planned out. Adequate investment should be made based on impact analysis. A risk practitioner noticed that the copy of printed documents are saved on built-in hard disk of the printer. Which of the following is the best course of action? Risk assessment should be conducted considering the risk of disclosure of the data. It will help to determine the level of risk and appetite. On the basis of risk assessment, appropriate risk mitigation technique can be further planned and implemented. Implementing other options are not appropriate without a proper risk assessment, because the data may be useful for forensic investigation and may impact the performance of the printer. Which of the following is most effective measure to protect the confidential information against insider threat? This we discussed. Need to know basis access control or role based access control. Need to know access control provides access according to the business requirements. It reduces the unnecessary access rights and enforces accountability. Others are not as important as option C. In an event of security breach at another entity that utilizes similar technology, the first action by a risk practitioner would be to assess the probability of incident occurring in risk practitioner's entity and what can be related impact. On the basis of above assessment, other actions can be planned. Which of the following factors have most impact on launch of the attack against an enterprise? Question is about launch of the attack, and correct answer will be level of skill and motivation of the hacker. Other options are more effective to detect or prevent or recover from an incident. They generally do not impact the likelihood of an attack. Which of the following is most important factor to evaluate and assess the risk? Threat identification. Data on likelihood of identified threats is one of the most important and key requirements for effective risk assessment. It helps to determine the impact as well as probability of particular event. Other factors are essential but not as important as identification of threats. Thanks for watching.